Get in the good light spot. What? He's tired.
I'm tired.
Well, of course you're tired, but the dog's tired. He's like trying to go for you. Too weak.
Jesus.
Still smells like poop.
Dawn. It's nasty.
Get him, Midnight. Get him.
Chew him up, chew him up, chew him up.
Dawn. Is there any way to make the lights better?
The more you snuggle, the more it gets you.
The light? Is it low light?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh.
How hard is he
Will that help
biting?
any bit? I don't think it will help at all.
No.
Look at all the slobber.
No, I don't think it will.
Oh.
Is there like a turn out brightness on there?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it's kind of dark. See, man.
You alright?
Oh.